my name is Max Schweder. For the last couple of months, I've been a fellow at the Academy for Theatre and Digitality in Dortmund, Germany. I've been researching real-time audio visualization in order to make performances and concerts more accessible. For my research, I teamed up with two amazing programmers and incredible artists. Please check out their works in the description. Dr. Chikashi Miyama and Naoto Hieda. Chikashi and Naoto helped me to create SOUNDVISION, a toolset for Unity that helps me and maybe you to create reactive real-time audio visuals for the stage within the Unity environment. SOUNDVISION was realized as a completely open source project. So if you're interested, you can download all the tools now and try them out for yourself for free. With the SOUNDVISION toolset, I created reactive audio visuals such as these.
It's easy to recall all the dark places I've been with you.
With this small video series, I want to show you how you can download the project, set everything up, and get started with SOUNDVISION. But, full disclaimer ahead, I am not a programmer. Chikashi and Naoto are awesome. I'm not a programmer. I just learned some C# over the last couple of months and a lot of Unity. Everything you see in these videos is just the way I do it. It's probably not the most efficient way. If you see something that could be done more efficiently, please let me know. I'd be happy to implement it and evolve and become better. But I just hope that it helps you on your way and maybe you find something interesting in here that you can use for yourself. Who knows? Have fun.